Welcome to my YouTube channel SAP EWM Vlogs. This is Banu Teja. I am back with a new topic, that is how to configure the resources in the SAP Extended Warehouse Management. So in the market, whenever we are working on a warehouse, we use some vehicles to store the products in the high racks, okay, to manage warehouse tasks in the warehouse. We use different kind of resources like forklifters, trolleys, and trucks, high richer trucks, and other type of vehicles we use in the warehouse, like automated guided vehicles, like robotic machines, like that. Some vehicles are managed by the human resources, some vehicles are managed by robotic process. Okay. So before going into the configurations, I want to show you a small picture. Yeah, I'm showing you here. See, these are different type of warehouse vehicles. You can see maximum they're using trucks, high richer trucks and pallet vehicles, and mostly it's look like a truck. Okay, so these are different kind of resources which we use in the warehouse. Okay, so these resources are being managed by different users. Okay, so different users are assigned different warehouse tasks. So they will, yeah, so they will store the material and or pallets or any packaged materials stock using these vehicles. Some materials are easily managed by warehouse people, like which are handled by the humans. Okay, uh, and some materials cannot be handled by the human sources. They use as these vehicles for lifting the materials. Okay, so how these are configured in the SAP EWM, let us see. So first of all, I will show you a small guide. Okay, not this one, yeah, this one. So for warehouse forklift and material handling vehicles. Okay, you can see here. So okay, vehicle, main purpose, and SAP EWM relevance. See, counterbalance forklift, you can see different type of vehicles. Counterbalance forklift, reach truck, electric pallet truck, pallet stacker, order picker, terrain truck, side loader, left turn forklift, telehandler, articulator forklift. So this is a different type of vehicles which are using in the warehouse. These are the different purposes. Okay, you can see the different purposes for high rack storage, horizontal pallet movement, pallet stacking, long loads. So these are different purposes which are using these vehicles. In SAP relevance, for which warehouse task we are using, we can see here SAP EWM relevance. Okay, I will show you some picture wise, like counterbalance forklift. This is the vehicle which you use for main use for pallet handling truck, pallet handling and loading and unloading purpose. And these are used in unloading, staging, and put away loading. And high reach truck. This for high rack pallet storage and retrieval and narrow aisles. This is used in put away, picking, and replenishment. And this is electric pallet truck. I think this is a robotic, or no, it's not. Okay, it's not robotic. Okay, it's electric pallet truck. Okay, and the horizontal movement for pallets over the short distance, like staging, loading, and short distance movements. Okay, and pallet stacker. So I think it's a it's a human. It's a very small vehicle, but you can see it is being handled by the human resources to store the pallet, which contains number of cartons, and it is packed by the uh, wrapper. So main use is for lifting, stacking, for palletized loads, from low to medium heights, and it is used in put away, replacement, and internal movements. Okay, so this you can see heavy one. Okay, this is very big one. See here, by you can see the main use is very narrow iron high bay pallet storage. Okay, it seems very easy for uh, heavy weighted materials. It's easy for high level put away and picking. Okay, articulated forklift. You can see the different vehicles we are using in warehouse. Main uses pallet handling in narrow aisles where the maneuverability is critical. SAP EWM connection is the put away, high retrieval, and replacement. These are different type of vehicles we are using. So how it is being configured in SAP EWM? Let us see it. First of all, open SAP system, log in into your SAP system, and here execute SPRO and execute SAP reference IMG, and yeah. So here let us go to supply chain management, extended warehouse management, and click on extended warehouse management, and go to process settings, and go to resource management. So here we have to execute define the resource type. Okay, so already I have created uh, my vehicles. See here I created here I click on new entries. I have maintained these requirements. Automated guided vehicle, that means it comes under robotics like that. Forklift, FLKT, is a warehouse, resource type, description. Okay, so this is the forklift, and this is the high reach truck, resource type, and human resource, like trolleys which comes under human resource. Okay, so so if you want to assign the HU type groups, you can assign it. Go to the client requirement. If you want to assign the certain handling units which has been accessible only for particular vehicle, then you can click on new entries and you can maintain HU type groups. Okay, so this is a practical process. I am not maintaining. Okay, so if you click on new entries, you have to maintain all these entries: warehouse, resource type, description, and everything. Present already have created, but I am not. Okay, so what is the resource type? See here, auto guided vehicles, forklifter, high reacher, human means human picker, resource type. Okay, now save it and come back. You can see click on side it, there is no. Okay, these are not required. So velocity, if you want to mention the velocity layout type, you can also mention it, but I am not mentioning this one. Now come back, and so here see, so resource type means we have configured see, we have configured forklift, high rack, high reach truck, automated guided vehicle, human. So resource group also I am maintaining same. Okay, resource group means so different type of vehicles having resource group. I mean different see, these all materials comes under pallet weighting trucks comes under one vehicle group. I mean one resource group, and different palletizations in carton lifting comes under different vehicle group. I mean different resource group, and other types this comes under normal vehicle group. Okay, so I mentioned here. So I mentioned here for forklift I have mentioned mechanical resource group. For high reach truck also I mentioned mechanical. For automated guided vehicle this comes under robotic resource group, human type of source vehicle like trolleys and other type of vehicles which comes under human based resource type, human based resource group. Okay, this is resource type. Okay, this is it's not I'm not saying it's a direct vehicle name, it's a resource type. Okay, resource is for forklift. Okay, mention the resource name as forklift 1, forklift 2, forklift 3, forklift 4, and high reach group, high reach truck 1, 2, automated guided vehicle 1, 2, trolley 1, 2, 3, 4, and which business function it is used in: inbound process, outbound process, inbound. See, these are different sources. Different vehicles are used for different uh, warehouse tasks for inbound, outbound, internal, outbound. And which users use it to operate these resources? For forklift 1, inbound warehouse task, warehouse user 1. For forklift 2, inbound task, warehouse user 2. Forklift 3, like HR high rack 1, 2, automated guided vehicle 1, 2. These are all assigned to the different warehouse users for different warehouse tasks, like internal. Okay, internal means within the high racks, within the staging areas, and within the work centers, which comes under internal. It is assigned to the one warehouse user. He will drive this vehicle. Okay, he will control this vehicle, and so different users. Warehouse user 3, he will guide this forklift 3, which is used for outbound related activities like picking, packing, staging, loading, and goods issue. So like this. Okay, so we have to also configure the queues. Okay, queue also we have to configure. So come back, let us go to again, let us navigate to again SAP, and here again execute define queue types, and already have created. See here, the inbound, midbound, outbound. So inbound is all activities. So this is one of the queue type for inbound. Okay, goods shipped, put away, like that. Unloading, all comes under the inbound. Midbound means replenishment, other activities. Okay, replacement, scrapping, all type of other internal various activities comes under midbound. Outbound means picking, packing, staging, loading, and goods issue. All activities comes under outbound activities. So for all this type of warehouse activities, I have mentioned inbound queue, midbound queue, outbound queue. Sorry, outbound queue. Okay. So we have also defined queues. If you want to mention your own entries, you can click on new entries and you can mention the warehouse and queue type is inbound. So sorry. Okay, IMBD. We have mentioned like this now. Description like IMB1. So inbound process 1, something. You can mention your own name, your required name. So like this you can mention the new entries. Okay, I'm not mentioning now. That's for example. So you can take the reference of my entries and you can create on your own. Okay. Now save. After creating the entry, you can save it and come back. So queue types are created, right? Now go to the define queues. So here also we have to define. Here we are having the 4 configuration steps. First one we have to proceed to the define queues. Okay. So click on position. Okay. See here. So here already I told you queue type: inbound, midbound, outbound. Okay. So here we have mentioned the different queues. I have mentioned normally it's rough entries. These are IMB1, IMB20. I click on the new entries. Open warehouse task is resource management. Okay. Yeah. So if you click on new entries, you have to mention your warehouse and your queues. You can mention your IMB20 like something 30. Description inbound queue for MB30 activity area bins. Inbound queue for MB30 activity area bins. Queue type is INBD. You can select by clicking the multiple selection option, and you can select this queue type. And open environment means we are setting this resource management active. That's all. So that's all entries, and if you want to save this, you can save this. If you already have created my requirements, so I don't need to save. Okay. Yeah. Now save it and come back. Already I saved. Okay. So this one, these are the entries. Okay. Yeah. Now come back. No, I don't make any changes. Now define queue determination criteria. Click on the entries. Click on the version. Enter warehouse number. See here. See why it is showing the two activity areas here. That means this is source activity area. This is destination activity area. You click on this field and click on F1. See here. Oh, sorry. Click on F1. See, source activity area. Okay. And so I mention the cursor here and click on F1. It is destination activity area. Okay. So warehouse process type, triple line stands for midbound. That means internal, which comes under queue internal. So click on new entries, you have to maintain these entries. Okay. Destination, this is maintained POS outbound. Okay. Outbound source. Okay. And MEWH, source activity area, destination is put away, right? Finally we making put away. That is ME10. Simple warehouse process type is 1010. Activity is put away. Queue is inbound. So already I maintained one of QSC process. Okay. And MEWH. This was second hierarchy ME20. And yeah, I also mentioned for POSC. I mean, warehouse process type is for put away resource. Okay. Put away process. Storage put away process. I have taken my customized warehouse process type for process oriented storage control. Okay. And 9010 means it is a GR staging area. From GR staging area, it will go to the different destination put away pins. Okay. These are also inbound. So already I maintained my entries here. If you want, okay. These are the different entries. Come back. Now define queue access sequence. So for position, you can see access sequence. So how it is determined? You can determine by using depending upon warehouse process type, activity area, and source area, destination area, and also storage bin. So these all entries are important. These all determinations are important. Okay. Now finally come to the main screen. Go to logistics. Go to SCM EWM. Go to extended warehouse management. Go to master data. And here go to resource management. Here we have to maintain resource group. What is our resource group? See here. So mechanical, type of resource, mechanical, that means which comes under trucks, lorries, robotics, uh, human dependent vehicles like trolleys, like that. This all comes under resource group. Okay. So let us execute scwm/rgrp. Warehouse number is MEWH. See, if you click on display by change, so you get the option new entries and also deletion of entries. I click on the new entries and I maintained my entries here. Mechanical, robo, humanoid, mechanical resource group. You click on new entries, which comes under. Suppose I'm entering humanoid, something, HUM, something, HUM1, human resource group. So click on save, it will be saved. Okay. So already I maintain, and only to maintain another entries. So I delete this one, save it. So come back. So maintain queue sequence resource group. So here also I click on new entries, and here I mention the combinations of resource group and queues. Okay. For human type of resource group, HUMA, that means manpower based resources like trolleys. You can see the trolleys. I will show you. Manpower based vehicles in warehouse. Okay. Manpower based vehicles in warehouse. Something you can see here images you can see. Something you can see the trolleys here. Okay, like trolleys. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, these are different type of see, you can see the trolleys. These are different type of human based vehicles which are used in warehouse. This comes under resource group HUMA, and it is used in inbound, outbound, and also internal. Mechanical means like high reach trucks, forklifters, all these comes under mechanical. That is also can be used in inbound and outbound. So robotics, robo vehicles are used mainly in internal. Okay, so you can maintain these entries and click on save it. That's all. Now maintain resource. So here also you have to click on the new entries. See here, this is the main important part. Okay. So here we have maintained the resources: automated guided vehicle, forklift 1, forklift 2, high reach high reach trucks. That means which comes under this resource: trolley 1, trolley 2. Resource type: automated guided vehicles like these are like robotic type of vehicle which comes under automated guided vehicle, and forklifters which comes under resource type forklift. High reach trucks which comes under high reach as trolleys which comes under human based resource type. Resource group I told it is a robo. This all comes under, automated guided vehicles comes under resource type. These resource types are assigned to the robotic resource group, and this resource group contains default device, that means radio frequency scanner, RF devices. I will show you. RF devices used in warehouse. See, I'll show you in the image. So these are the he is scanning rate. So this comes under default device. Okay, this will be this comes under default device. Okay. Okay, standard device screen. Okay, queues. I told you, right? Queues. So without queues, we can't able to make movements using the vehicles. Okay. If you want to maintain any movements, the queues must be used compulsory. Okay. Now save it and come back and maintain the users. Okay. See, my username is Bhanuteja. You click on the new entries. I maintain my user. Okay. I use a forklift for inbound, for example, and save it. So finally, resources has been created. Resource type is created. Resource group is created. Queue type, queue sequence, queues are also created and assigned each other. Okay. So this is the configuration of resources and queues. Okay. So I will do a sample transaction using a RF. That means using the resources and queues. I will show you the first step. Now I am going to show you how we execute the warehouse task like unloading, GRN, put away using the resources. That means RF scanners. Okay, I'll show you, right? RF scanners. Oh, not this one. Okay, these are the RF scanners. Okay, so in real time when you work, we use the devices for making the put away, unloading, GRN, picking, packing, staging, loading, unloading. All these activities are being controlled by these RF devices. In some cases, we are using the mobile-based devices. Okay, you can see mobile-based. So these are used in the it simply look like our Android phone and iPhone like that, but it's also very crazy. It's very looking attractive and interesting to work on this warehouse using these devices. Okay, it will be sounds very good. If you work, if you get the chance to work in the warehouse, you observe how it will be work. Now I am showing in the system. Okay, in real time, if you want to do this one, you want to watch this one, please go to IKEA in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai. You can see in the IKEA there will be a big warehouses will be there. They have observed one of warehouse person is using this device for managing all warehouse tasks. It is imaginary. It is very imaginary. Okay, now let us create one of PO. I'll show you the sample inbound task. Okay. Okay. Let us see. Data engineering. The purchase organization, purchasing group, company code, and the material. I'm taking sample map 1. The quantity is 10 quantity. The plant is MEHY, Hyderabad plant. The store location is receive on dock. And confirmation control is inbound delivery. And save it. Wow. Yes. The purchase order is created. Now let us rock it. Let us do inbound delivery. UL31N, press enter. Enter supplier, that means vendor code, purchase order, identification number, deliver date and time. Press enter. I'm not packing anything here, just simply I'm executing creating the inbound delivery. Just save it. Okay, inbound delivery is saved with this number. Copy this number. Now execute a transaction for warehouse based inbound delivery. //scwm/prdi. Okay. let us enter the inbound delivery and execute. Okay, now I want to pack this material in HU. I want to pack it. Go to inbound delivery, click on follow functions and pack it. Okay, so enter package material like mega box. Click on enter and click on execute. So drag this material into this HU. So when it is packed and save it. That's it. Now come back. See, now let us go to the RF device. The transaction code is, I'll execute this activity. That means here I have making some of the scenarios. First scenario is I'll create unloading using RF device and create a GRN in this slash and slash SCWM slash PRDI and put away task creation also I am using the PRDI and confirmation I will do in RF device. Okay, let us see this task. Let us see this scenario. And now I will go to this transaction slash and slash. Before that, I will show you one of the step, right? Go to logistics, go to SCM EWM, extended warehouse management, and master data. First of all, we have to assign the user for each resource. If you want to handle, if you want to execute the warehouse task, like picking the pallet on cartons from the one location and you have to place it in another location using the vehicle, you have to assign the user for it. Okay, go to the resource management and go to SCM slash and slash SCWM slash user, or otherwise you can execute here slash and slash SCWM slash user, press enter. You click on the new entries, you have to maintain the user. Presentation screen is this one. I will also take the another class for RF framework. Okay, UDM frequency device framework. Okay, and enter the warehouse code. Resources forklift. Okay, for inbound process we are doing a forklift and save it. Now let us go to the RF device slash SCWM slash RFUI. Press enter. Here enter is warehouse number, resource, and default device is PR00. Press enter. Click on inbound process. Click on unloading. We do the unloading by delivery or inbound delivery number. Okay. So what is the inbound delivery number? This one, 184x0570. Copy this and here paste the number. Press enter. It will ask for HU ID. Already we have created the new HU. If you want to create the new one, you can create a new HU. But already I have created. Okay. Go to the HU tab here. Copy this HU. Press enter. Again press enter. So completely unloaded. Okay. Let us go to slash and slash SCWM slash PRDI. Here the status is still not started. Refresh this. See, unloading is completed. So GRM means I will not do in this one. If you want to create GRM also, you can create here. If you want to create the GRM, you can create here, but I am doing from here only. Click on visit. Okay. Now we have to do the put away. Put away means yeah, we have to GRM put away task creation. Okay. Inbound flow. Okay. Put away task creation. Go to the inbound task. Click on handling minutes. Otherwise I directly do it in here only. Put put away by HU. What is the HU? Where is the HU? Yeah, this is HU number. Let us copy. Okay, scan this and paste it here, and scan the destination bin and paste it here. Control V, and scan this destination HU and paste it here and press enter. Okay, put away task also it is created. Let us refresh here. It is not started, but if you refresh, it will see. So this is one of the scenario. Okay, this is one type of scenario. There are different type of scenarios. Okay, so unloading also is done by all by HU. I can create it. Let us create second scenario also. I will show you second scenario. I create another PO. I create this another PO. I will show you how to be done by everything RFQ. Everything by using RF devices. Okay, concept. Now create inbound delivery. That one I am okay. Let us save it. -01. Okay, let us do it. Everything by HCR. First of all, you have to create. You have to pack in the HQ first of all. Okay, no problem. First of all, we pack it. Let us we can draw this pack. Enter package material box. Click on execute. And save it. Okay, it is packed successfully at 10 quantity. I'll come back and go to HU. Okay, now let us do everything by HU only. Let us go to //RFUI. Enter the warehouse number. For resources is forklift 1. Default device is PR00. Press enter. Inbound process. Unloading. Okay, unloading by HU. Okay, so unloading by delivery. Delivery number is this one. Copy it. Paste it. What is the HUID? HUID, this one. Press enter. Press enter. Okay, unloading is completed. Let us do the GRN also. I think GRN can be done. Put away by HU. What is HUID? I think GRN. Okay, without GRN, I think it's not possible. Let's do the put away. Receiving of handling limits. Received by delivery. Receiving of HU by delivery. Enter delivery number. Click here, press enter. What is the HUID? Okay. So unloading is done. GRL posted warehouse done. Unloading is done. Is done. Create warehouse task. Okay, warehouse task is already created. Okay. Put away not get started. So let us scan this one. Let us scan this HU. Yes. Yeah. Guys, successfully put away is also completed. Everything is by HU. Okay, successfully this scenario is also completed. Second scenario, everything is done by handing units only. Okay, these are two types of scenarios. So hope you have liked this video. You can also done using the PRDI process // SEWM/PRDI, and also we can do in RF devices. In RF devices, the layout will be like this. Okay, the starting layout will be like this. Enter /RF UI. It will be like different menus will be there. Like in you can see like this one. You can see in all these menus like this in this screen like. So similarly, it will be available in this phone also. These options will be available in this phone. So the differences I have explained you in laptop, but these activities can be done in using this mobile device also. Okay. So hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, so please subscribe to my channel, follow for the more videos, share it to your friends, and have a nice day. And I will be back with another new video. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.